Good afternoon, students. So today we solve some simple problems on partial derivatives. Okay, so that you know how to differentiate partially. Okay, so let us start. First one, if u is equal to xy plus yz plus zx, then find dou u by dou x, comma dou u by dou y and dou u by dou z. Okay, so this is a problem. So first what we do, we write u is equal to xy plus yz plus zx. Next we find first dou u by dou x. Okay, this we find dou u by dou x is equal to. Now as I already told in the last class, so dou u by dou x means differentiating with respect to x. Okay, so while differentiating with respect to x, we keep this z and y as constant. We keep y and z as constant. So only we differentiate with respect to x and we keep y and z as constant. Okay, so now this here y is constant, first term. Now differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. Then plus, in this case here y is also constant, z is also constant, so therefore its differentiation is 0. Here z is constant, so we write z as it is, into differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. So which is equal to y into 1y plus z. Okay, so this is dou u by dou x. In the same way we write dou u by dou y, we find dou u by dou y. So in this case again y is x is constant because we are differentiating with respect to y. We are differentiating with respect to y, so x is constant, so we write x as it is. Next differentiation of y with respect to y is 1. Then plus here differentiating with respect to y means x and z are constant. So z is constant, we write z as it is. Differentiation of y with respect to y is 1. Next here we are differentiating with respect to y means x and z constant. So its differentiation is 0. So which is equal to x plus z is equal to x plus z. Similarly we differentiate dou u by dou z. We obtain dou u by dou z which is equal to. So while differentiating with respect to z, keeping x and y as constant. Okay, so what we obtain, the first term is xy, so x and y are constant because we are differentiating with respect to z, so it's 0. Second term is yz, so here y is constant, differentiation of z with respect to z is 1. Then plus zx, again here x is constant, differentiation of z with respect to z is 1, so which is equal to y plus x. Okay, so this is how we obtain partial derivatives, dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y and dou u by dou z. Okay, so next we take another examples. Second, if z is equal to xy square plus 2y, find dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. Okay, so here dou z by dou x is equal to, so we are differentiating with respect to x, means y is constant, right? So y square is constant, differentiation of x with respect to x, it is 1. Then plus 2 is constant, y is constant, so its differentiation is 0, so which is equal to y square. Next to dou z by dou y. Again here we are differentiating with respect to y, x is constant, so we write x is constant, differentiation of y square is 2y, plus differentiating with respect to y, so 2 into differentiation of y with respect to y is 1, so which is equal to 2xy plus 2, 2xy plus 2 you will get. So this is the how we differentiate partially with respect to x and y. So we take some other different functions, taking trigonometric functions. So that is if f of xy is equal to, if f of xy is equal to x tan square xy, find dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y. Okay, so first we find the derivative dou f by dou x. Okay, so we are differentiating with respect to x, y as constant, right? So since here x appears on both the terms. Okay, so now we apply product rule. So while applying product rule, remember that y is constant. So first function as it is, differentiation of second function, that is tan square x y. So it is differentiation of tan square xy is 2 tan xy, right, into again differentiation of tan xy, it is x square xy. Okay, and again into differentiation of xy, applying chain rule. So differentiation of xy. So while differentiation of xy means we are only differentiating with respect to x, means y is constant. So differentiation of x with respect to x is 1, or which is equal to y into 1 y, 2xy tan xy sec square xy. Okay, so this is dou f by dou x, dou f by dou x. Then the first function, okay, first function into differentiation of the second function, differentiation of the second function. Okay, okay, so differentiation of the second function, sorry. So here the product rule we have to apply. Okay, so first function x as it is, differentiation of this tan square xy is 2 tan xy into differentiation of tan xy, it is sec square xy, okay, so into sec square xy into differentiation of xy is y into differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of x is 1. Okay, so this gives dou f by dou x is equal to plus tan square xy as it is, differentiation of x is 1. Okay, this is dou f by dou x. Similarly, we find dou f by dou y. So dou f by dou y is equal to, again we write differentiating. Here x is constant. Differentiation of tan square x is 2 tan xy. Differentiation of tan x is sec square xy. Sec square xy into differentiation of xy with respect to y means x is constant. Differentiation of y with respect to y is 1. So this is 2x square tan xy sec square xy. Sec square xy. Okay, so this is the differentiation of partial differentiation with respect to x and y. Okay, so using this, I will give one problem as an exercise, take as homework. So first one is, if u is equal to log of x square plus y square, find x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y. Find x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y. Y dou u by dou y. Similarly, second one, if z is equal to x square sin 3x plus y square, then find dou z by dou x, comma dou z by dou y. Dou z by dou x, comma dou z by dou y. Okay, so these two problems I am giving you as an exercise. So try to solve this. So they are very simple problems. So here in the first example, find out dou u by dou x. Okay, find out dou u by dou x and find out dou u by dou y. Then multiply dou u by dou x with x both the sides. So you will obtain x dou u by dou x. Similarly, multiply dou u by dou y with y both sides. Then add these two. So you will get the required. And this is simple, just finding dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. So while differentiating with respect to x, keep y as constant. While differentiating with respect to y, keep x as constant. Okay, try to solve this and I will continue in the next class. Thank you.